Quick helper here. Today we'll walk you through the process of updating the WhatsApp app on both iPhone and Android devices. To start, you have to open your respective app store. On iPhone, this is the App Store, and on an Android phone, it's the Google Play Store. Once the App Store is open, search for WhatsApp and select the WhatsApp from the search results. If there's an update available, you'll see an option to update instead of open. So what you'll do here is to tap on update to download and install the latest version. After the update is complete, you'll see the option to open the app, indicating that WhatsApp has been successfully updated. If updating through the App Store doesn't work, if you're not seeing the latest features, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp. Long press the app icon and select uninstall from the menu. Confirm the uninstallation. Once WhatsApp is uninstalled, go back to the App Store, search for WhatsApp, and reinstall it. After reinstalling WhatsApp, you'll have the latest version of the app with all the updates and features. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.